Hello, my name is Kari Kohea. I'm from New York City and I'm currently a student at the Harvard Extension School. I am pursuing a Master of Liberal Arts degree in the field of dramatic arts, and I absolutely love the program. So I wanted to share with you guys my entire process from finding out about this program to where I am currently today. I'm almost done and I have really enjoyed the entire experience. Hopefully this is helpful for anyone else who is looking for their next school or university that they may be interested in, and hopefully this is the one. So here we go. I've always loved learning, and I knew that I wanted to continue to pursue more education after I received my bachelor's degree. However, my schedule didn't really permit. I was modeling full-time. That's a lot of traveling, a lot of last-minute jobs that pop up that you have to run to. I was also starting a company, and being an entrepreneur was really important to me, and I also love learning, but I didn't want school to take up my whole schedule. I started to look for programs and I came across Harvard Extension School. Okay, there's many things I love about it, but the two things that really attracted me to it was, one, I wanted to study something that I loved, and I absolutely loved Shakespeare. When I saw the classes in the dramatic arts where you get to study a lot of literature and have these deep discussions on some of the greatest writers, I fell in love with that, and I was like, yes, I want to do this program. And then two, the flexibility. You have a lot of classes online, you have small classes where you can still discuss topics and issues with your classmates and with your professor, so you get a lot of that personal time with people even though it's online. And then there's also some on campus, which I actually really loved. And so you have this mix. I wanted a school where it wasn't going to take over my life to be a student, rather it was going to support the things that I was already doing and enjoying. And I feel like Harvard Extension School really does that well. I'm really happy that I took a chance on this program. I've grown so much, and I'm so excited to see what's next after I graduate. Hopefully that was helpful. I'm definitely planning on putting more videos about Harvard Extension School and my experience.